Hello guys, today I've got the JBL Xtreme 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how to connect your speaker with any device using a cable. Remember, it can be only USB Type-C to C when it comes to the lossless connection, or USB Type-C to C or Type-C to Type-A when it comes to the normal connection. There are no other possibilities. Lightning will just charge your cable. Your speaker, yeah. So, at first, or your device, of course. At first, plug your cable into the charging port. No, pardon me. At first, plug your cable into your device. For me, it's MacBook, but I need to at first somehow plug my USB Type-C cable into it. Okay, done. Here, as you can see, we've got my cable right here. I need to get my MacBook closer. And now, while your speaker is turned on, hold the power button constantly, well, not power, play button constantly while you are plugging this cable. It's right here. Now you need to click allow on your PC and all done. Goodbye.